If you're tired of cleaning up stuffing scattered all over your home, these no-stuffing dog Squeaky toys are a smart choice. Designed without the usual fluff, they keep your space tidy while still delivering plenty of fun for your pup. Perfect for small dogs and puppies, these flat plush toys offer a mess-free playtime experience. Each toy comes packed with a built-in squeaker and crinkle material that runs throughout its body. This combo grabs your dog's attention instantly, making playtime more interactive and exciting. Whether your dog loves to shake, toss, or drag their toys around, these sounds keep them engaged longer. Lightweight and soft, these toys are easy for small breeds to carry and play with indoors. Their flat design means they're less bulky, so your puppy can enjoy hours of gentle chewing and interactive play without getting overwhelmed by heavy or oversized toys. You get a 5-pack of adorable animal-shaped toys, offering plenty of variety for your dog to explore. This also makes it easy to rotate toys, keeping your dog interested without constantly buying new ones. Multi-dog households will appreciate having multiple toys ready to go. Built to last, each toy features a double-layer fabric construction. The outside is made of short plush, while the inside has a chew-resistant backing layer. This durability extends playtime, especially for puppies and small dogs under 20 pounds during supervised light to moderate play sessions. Measuring 3 by 1 by 8 inches and weighing just 4 ounces, these toys strike the right balance between size and ease of use for small breeds. They're made by Blue Pup, a trusted brand known for quality pet products, and have been available since March 7, 2026. These toys aren't water-resistant, so they're best suited for indoor play. But with embroidered details and interactive features like crinkle paper and squeakers, they offer plenty of stimulation to keep your dog happily entertained without the mess of traditional stuffed toys. If you're looking for a cleaner, durable option that still delivers fun and engagement, these no-stuffing dog Squeaky toys are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your pup's playtime with toys designed specifically for small breeds and gentle chewing.